good afternoon, whatever it may be. Welcome to the channel, Franklin family. Glad I can be here with you this evening, morning, or afternoon, whenever you're viewing this. So, La Familia, my YouTube, my Franklin family. Yeah, this is the Derailleur 2. That's right, this is MTB. What is this on the chain? Kid Kai's Huffy Derailleur. Should have been built, but since I wasn't able to ride, I didn't want to tempt myself. His being built, him to go riding too soon. But I'm gonna ride too soon before I'm shit anyway. But that would have been a lot too soon. So we're gonna get this built up because I plan on doing a little riding this weekend. That's the plan, that's the goal. May not be this weekend, but hopefully very soon. I'm gonna do some work on my Derailleur. I broke the derailleur. One of the reasons why one of my upgrades on my budget bikes is not necessarily still budget friendly compared to the Groupset that I get, but I do piece it together and I get a Shimano, either Deore, SLX, or XT for my derailleur. Because I'm not saying anything bad about the budget derailleurs. It's more so bad about yours truly. I just don't work well with them. It just don't work with me. I always break something or it doesn't work. Like, I didn't even take this derailleur off on my Huffy and I don't even know what's going on with it, but it's getting changed out. I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm gonna switch it out because that's my goal anyway. So that's gonna have to get done soon. So after I do this video, I'm gonna be ordering a derailleur. That's definitive. All right, so let's get it going. We're gonna get this bike built up. We're gonna go over the things that you have to fix, because I understand you get to purchase something, you want it to work the way it's supposed to work out of the box, right? You buy a toaster, you want to toast your bread or your bagels or whatever it may be, right? When you buy your bike, you want your bike to work like a bicycle. You want to be able to pedal, to be able to stop, to be able to shift gears, and we'll go over those things. We'll get it put together. We'll do like we normally do. We'll put a little speed in here. You know, we got the need for speed. Love that video game too when I was growing up. So we're gonna put some speed in here. We're gonna go fast like we usually do. We're gonna turn on the turbo. We're gonna get the juices flowing and get this built up. And then we're gonna look at, after I build everything up, I'm not gonna touch anything. I'm gonna leave everything the way it is. And we're gonna go through what you're gonna probably get when you get a budget bike. It's just what it is. We're saving costs, we're cutting corners. You're gonna have to either fix it yourself or we're gonna have to pay somebody to fix it for us. It's just what it is when we get something at this discount of a price that can be comparable and upgraded to a bike 2, 3, 4 times as much as this one costs. So that's just what it is. If that's not something that we wanna do, then we're gonna have to spend that extra money. Either it be on us taking one of these budget bikes, getting it tuned at the bike shop, or taking the extra $300 and spending it at the bike shop so that that bike is already tuned. Either way, it's gonna cost you some money. And the cheaper of the two would be to get it fixed at the bike shop. Because even if the bike shop charged me $100 to fix this, I purchased this Huffy Derailleur and that Huffy Derailleur. You might see the price on there as a good price at the $208, but I got both of these where I got them for $168 each. So $168 plus the $100 it would cost me to tune, I'm at $268. I'm still half of the price of what the bike shop bike is going to start at, because you're going to start at $500 at the bike shop. Just count on that, all right? So let's get the fastest going. Let's get this upgraded. We'll talk about what's gonna be messed up. I mean, I already know. It's probably not gonna shift right. The brakes are probably not gonna be they're gonna be rubbing or squeaking or something. We'll talk about it though. All right, I'll see you guys on the other side. All right, Franklin family, YouTube, La Familia, thank you guys for tuning in, watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you may have learned something if you're new and didn't know. If you did know, however, it's just for fun, and hopefully this will get everyone in the understanding and spirit of things of, hey, yes, I got a good deal on the bike. There's gonna be some things, more than likely, brakes, and your gear shifting. Gear shifting was really good. The strength and tightness of my brakes are also good also. I mean, you also can do adjustments with the brake resistance or how firm or tight you have to grip them. That'll also alleviate. I could have just used that and taken the brakes out some since it has some wobble in it, but not necessary. This is fine. He's fine with it. He'll be fine with it. Do some upgrades. Here we go, temperature rail. Part 2. There we go. Everybody again, thanks for tuning in. Remember, sharing is caring. Be a friend, tell a friend. Be blessed, not too stressed. As always, peace.